we guide you through how to screen mirror your iPhone to a laptop. First, make sure your iPhone and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network because screen mirroring will not work if they are on different networks. Next, open the control center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap screen mirroring. On your laptop, you need a receiver app that supports AirPlay, such as Reflector, Let's View, or a Power Mirror. And once the app is open, your laptop name should appear on the screen mirroring list on your iPhone. Tap the name of your laptop, and if a code appears on the laptop screen, simply enter the code on your iPhone to confirm the connection. After that, your iPhone screen will instantly appear on your laptop, allowing you to display apps, photos, videos, or presentations directly from your phone. If the laptop does not show up, double check that both devices are on the same Wi Fi network and the screen mirroring app is running on your laptop.